Hey everyone, welcome back to Ryan Makes Sense, where we talk personal finance, investing, and chart analysis. Today we're going to be looking at none other Google, ticker symbol GOOG. It's been a long time since I've actually analyzed this one, so I thought it would be a great refresher. Go back in, see what the possibilities are, see what insiders and institutions and hedge funds are doing, and see if we're undervalued or overpriced. Let's go ahead and jump on in. All right, we're on the world's greatest website. We're going to type in GOOG for Google. I believe the stock's around $153 right now. By the time you watch this video, it'll probably be more or less, depending on the market. I'm going to say less. Okay, so everything looks strong on the daily, but you know me, I like to look at the bigger picture. Look at this chart. I drew this chart a while ago and look exactly how this big green candle is just sitting right on top of it. Okay. Without further ado, let's just see where we're at. RSI heading up strong. Momentum heading up strong. Money flow, huge move. Kind of going down, but also kind of flat. Relative momentum, getting ready to rock and roll. We're going to run my calculation on this and see what the price could be. Just doing a little bit more charting here. Just want to draw the next level of resistance, also the next level of support. Look at that. We have an ascending wedge within a triangle. So, yeah, let's look at the data. Okay, this is absurd. This is billions. This is beautiful. When you have a ramp up like this is just utter beauty. This is utter beauty, just up and to the right. This is down and to the right. This is also pure beauty. This is a reflection that there's no dilution, no adding to the supply. Shareholders, retail institutions, hedge funds, they love this. It's naturally and organically being accumulated, which is why it's going down. Fantastic. Let's run my calculation. Look at these price targets. Insane. Okay. So they have a market cap of 1,913,940,000,000. Correct? Yes. So bill, trill. 1,913,940,000,000. Yeah. Plus they bring in 73,800,000,000 in income. 73,800,000,000. Plus, they bring in 307 billion in sales, 160 million on top of that. That is insane. All right, let's go down to cash debt and see what we got going on. Okay. Every 132 billion they spend, they bring in 307 billion. That is over a 50% gross margin, right? Yeah, 56%. That is freaking beautiful. This is just utter beauty right now. Okay. Balance sheet, they have so much cash. So plus 24 billion, is that right? This is in the millions. So 24 billion, 48 million. 24 billion, 48 million. Total debt is 11, so minus 11,870,000,000. All right. Total long-term debt is slightly, well, it jumped up pretty quickly, 2021. Oh, this is what I wanted to add, not total. I wanted to add total debt. Okay, so let's go back here. So let's add, we're going to just add the 11,870,000,000. This is what I just removed. So now we're back to what we had, but I'm going to remove now this right here, the 14.6. So 14,616 million. Yes. Okay, that's what I wanted to do. And we're now going to take this and we're going to go up and divide it by our 5 billion. Divided by 5 billion, 270 million. So this stock could be trading at $437 based off of my calculation. That's pretty insane. I don't see anyone that has that high of a price target except for me, so that's kind of cool. What are institutions and institutions and hedge funds doing? So the older data shows that institutions own 27.84%. This is considered old because FinViz does not update as regular as Fintel. So Fintel, old data is 27.8% ownership. New data is 30.4% ownership. So an increase of 3%. You can see it's about in line with this big meteoric jump right here. I'm guessing Vanguard and BlackRock own tons. Yep, they do. Vanguard actually trimmed a little bit, while BlackRock freaking 10x minimum. That's insane. BlackRock went from 19 million shares to 356 million. That's incredible. So, yeah. Where do I see Google? So I have my $400 target here. This also could be viewed as a cup and handle. We have our cup handle, boom. So what we're going to do for our cup and handle, let me just write down Google. I just need to write this down. So GOOG, our target's 437.25. Cool. And the cup and handle price target is going to be, so we're going to take, our cup height is going to be 151.21. And our cup low is going to be 83.81. So that minus 83.81. So we're going to take the 67.40 and we're going to add it on top of our 151.21. So the cup and handle price target is actually going to be $218.61. So if you're seeing a cup and handle and you want to get that price target, 218 is what I'm seeing. Just based off of the raw value of a $1.9 trillion market cap, sales of 307 billion, income of 73. I mean, it's just insane. Yeah. I see 437. So again, let's see if we can find any patterns on Thinkorswim really quick. Nice. I have charted this one out before. Uno momento. So the chart that I had got moved because of the stock split. So now I have these crazy lines that should be down here. So following this trend, this blue channel, if you can get the stock to touch this blue channel like it did here at $89 back in January of 2023, that is the sell your kids, sell your wife, and buy. I'm just kidding. Don't ever do that. I don't even have either of those. But they did do a stock split. So again, this looks just very bullish. The top, so we're in a Fibonacci arc, which goes from the lowest price, which this goes all the way back to $2.40, to our highest price, which is 150 before the big dip. So what we're going to want to watch is over the next few years, 230s, 250s, 290s. And again, that That brings us up to our cup and handle price target. If it takes that long to get there, I don't know if this is going to be a zoom up, but that's what I see. And looking at the yearly momentum, this is also pretty important. I mean, this thing, all gas, no brakes. So very interesting. We'll see where this goes, but I do see this going higher based off of my calculation, the cup and handle price target. We do see some resistance here at the 158 level. Let's see what Google was guiding for 2024. Damn. Let's just see if a Google search has it. Let's see. 342 billion for 2024. A nice jump from 307 billion. So they're just nonstop growing, you guys. So I like this one. I do own this one. I don't own enough of it, but I own it. So I feel like as this goes up, I'm going to be participating in this move. If it goes down, I think it's a strong one to consider and look at before investing in. And as always, talk to your CPA or financial advisor before making any purchases. I'm just a guy with a camera. So Google looks fantastic. Yeah, that's all I've got. If you made it this far, consider subscribing. Have a great week.